Hey, welcome back. It's been a really long time since I made a video. Sorry about that, but we are here for another update. They have poured the walls and filled in all around, and we have a little driveway with garage and everything, so let's take a look. All right. The walls, I don't think so. The walls are all done. Got even some sump pump piping laid out. Ejector pit or whatever that is. We got the window to get out. Everything's filled in. Nice. The window well is here, and the back of our house is lower because it's called a lookout basement, and we'll have nice windows letting lots of light into the basement. So that's going to be very nice to have. Okay, exciting.